Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. The Children's Place makes this really nice button-down shirt. This is in a very nice blue color. I love the quality of this shirt. It has very thick material and it's well made. I also like that it washes and dries really well. I don't have to even put an iron to this. And also the fact that it has a pocket here and it has stitching on the sleeves. And it has a pleat on the back of the shirt as well. But my most favorite part of this shirt is actually the buttons here that hold the tie in place. Those are really nice because my son does wear a tie a lot of the time. And so this is a perfect shirt if you want to take family pictures or if your kid needs a uniform. I find that it's very versatile. It really is a quality company. Children's Place makes excellent clothes. And I'm really happy with this. It's very comfortable, it's soft, but that's just my point of view.